Hi, this is Steffi from Stephies, Beads, and Baubles, and I have a little mail haul here for you. I was going to add a bead box, but I think I'm going to do that as a separate video. I said I was going to add it to this, but I think I'm just going to do it separately so that I can do it justice. But the first thing I have is just a little bag of clear seed beads, and the only reason I'm showing you is I thought the bag was really cool. And Cheryl Coyote, if you're watching this, you know I'm going to save this bag for you, because I know you can do something fun with that little, it's a clear mermaid, you can see the beads through her. But when I saw that, I didn't know it was coming like that. It didn't show the packaging. So I saw that, I thought, oh, that's going to Cheryl. Anyway, one of my wonderful subscribers sent me a wonderful little package. So I'm going to show you everything she sent me. And first of all, I'll tell you the little backstory. A little bit back, it's been probably a couple weeks now, I found this book in my stuff, and I was looking at it, and I was fascinated with these felt roses. And I got out the book, and I was looking at the instructions, and it said you needed wool felt sheets. And I said to myself, where do you get wool felt? Because I know the stuff I buy at Walmart and Hobby Lobby is not wool. I said, well, you know what? I'm going to go look for wool felt after I check my YouTube channel and make sure I don't have any comments to answer. So I set this book to the side and I went to my YouTube channel, and guess what? There was a comment there from Bev saying, do you want some wool felt? And I thought, wow, I just had planned on looking for wool felt. So this is the goodies she sent me. But Bev, here's the book. I told you I'd show you the book. And it's Sherry Hobb, I guess. Felt, Fabric, and Fiber. I got it at Half Price Books. I'm not exactly sure what year. Let me see if I can find any information. In case anybody watching this wants this book, let me find the information for you. There is the ISBN numbers. And when was it published? 2005. Wait, 2008. I guess. Oh, there's different stuff. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, this book is 2008. So, and anyway, nice book. There's all kinds of great projects in it. This one just caught my eye. Well, now I have the wool felt. Look at these. And then she sent me a couple other wonderful gifts I want to share with you. But look at these. I couldn't get over the wonderful. I'm going to show you the variegated first. They're just amazing. Look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? And the fabric just feels amazing to the touch. It just feels so luxurious compared to the cheapy felt that I use for the ornaments. So I'm going to have to use a few of this pieces to make some of my ornaments, because it would just be so fun to use this luxurious, rich feeling, beautiful fabric. I'd have to do it on one that you can see some of the fabric, or use it on the back where you could see it. And then there's this one here, which seems to have some bleeding, but that's not a problem because that'll work for me, because there's plenty of pieces in between that aren't marked, and that kind of appeals to me. I kind of like that, how that looks. So, really pretty. Look at these oranges. This next one is amazing. Look at that. It reminds me of some of my husband's stained glass pieces that he has that have all these variegated colors. That's what this reminds me of. One of my other subscribers, Ginger, is encouraging me to do some stained glass videos. So we're going to be working on that. That's my husband has to help me with that. These are all the solid colors, which are amazing. Just the nice feel of this fabric. It just feels so different. She said some of it was wool that she purchased, and some of it was old wool garments she took apart. But they're just such beautiful colors. I love it. I found some fabric the other day that I thought might be wool, but then when I brought it out here and compared it to this stuff, it's not. No way. A little bit of pink and red, this cobalt blue. This green is a really neat color. Some light blue. And then she sent me this journal that she made. Oh, let me close it up because she had it closed up. Let me take the pieces out and close it up and show you what she had on the front. Wait, make sure I have it facing the right way. Okay. And she had it, hold on, I'm going to have to do this with one hand. Here we go. There we go. This is what she sent me. This cute journal that she sewed all this beautiful fabric and put this little charm on it. You can see the baby's toys over there. Tomorrow night I'll put them away for the weekend, but I leave them out all week. And she made me so many fun things to go with it. These bookmarks, which I love. And then we'll open it back up and I'll show you some of the inside. My friend V. Wills, who has V. Wills Design, she has a YouTube channel where she does junk journals. And I've watched her journal videos, but I've never seen one in person. They're pretty cool. I think they call them junk journals. I think that's what I've been calling it. But it's so cute and so much work. You ladies that make these journals just blow my mind. The amount of detail and work and creativity and just blows my mind. I would never come up with any of this. But she hand sews the cover. Look at this. It's just really pretty. Let me see if I can show you the binding. She has it all sewn together, and then she has elastic that she binds it with. It's just beautiful. And then she made me a cute little Kleenex cover for my purse. It's got little vintage looking flamingos. It's so cute. But anyway, it was just to show. Oh, I dropped one of my beautiful bookmarks. This one's so cool. It's kind of layered. It feels like it's layered paper. Like you can see different sheets layered over each other. Anyway, it was a short video. I just wanted to show you this wonderful mail haul. And then I'm going to do a separate one for my vintage bead club. I think that's what it's called. I'm going to do that one right now. And I may release both of these the same day, but they'll both be 2 separate videos. I've got too many videos to try to space them out. We'll see. I may space them out and do one different day and just have a video every day or every 2 days for the next week. But I got behind, and I'm trying to get caught up because I don't want to ever go longer than a week. And really, I don't want to go more than a few days without a fresh video. So this week got away from me again. I can't believe we're at April 3rd today. But anyway, I just had to share this with you. I thought that was absolutely so sweet of her to do that for me. And what timing. To have seen this, want some wool felt, because you needed the wool felt to make it. And now I've got a beautiful stack of wool felt. I even have some green like that's in here. I don't know if I have that exact purple, but I have a purple. I have this one here. And I don't care if it's the exact colors. I just am excited to have wool felt. So anyway, I'll be back soon. I've got a whole bunch of videos I'm doing for you guys. So I'll be back in a bit. Thanks again. I'll be back and have more content for you pretty much every day this week, I think. Bye.